Let me show you how to create this 3D text effect in Adobe Photoshop. This is the font that I am using. And this is the background color. Right-click on the text layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl J twice to make 2 copies. And rename these layers. Hide these 2 layers and keep the one on top. Now go to Layer Style and choose Stroke. Follow these settings. Choose this color. Now let's add an inner shadow to the layer. Follow these settings. Choose this color. Add an outer glow. Follow these settings. Choose this color. Now unhide this layer. Now go to Layer Style and choose Outer Glow. Follow these settings. Choose this color. Now let's add a drop shadow. Follow these settings. Choose this color. Click on plus to add another shadow. Follow these settings. Add another shadow. Follow these settings. You can add more shadows to it, but I will stop here. Thanks for watching, hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.